Asauddin Owaisi ji.
Sir, I stand to oppose the introduction of J&K Reorganization Amendment Bill 2025, Union Territories Amendment Bill 2025, and the Constitution 130 Amendment Bill 2025, sir. Sir, this violates principle of separation of powers, due process, undermines the right of the people to elect a government. Sir, it gives executive agencies a free run to become judge and jury executioner based on flimsy allegations, suspicions, sir. Sir, only when an offence is proved beyond reasonable doubt, then only you can leave the post and the membership. But here a mere accusation, allegation, the punishment of losing one ministerial post will follow. Sir, Parliament democracy's chief ministers and ministers can only be removed through true means. First, executive prime minister can recommend their removal if the council of ministers lose confidence of the legislature. Now this bill would empower the unelected executive bureaucracy to play the role of legislature. Sir, it undermines representative parliament democracy. This amendment would leave the minister and CM at the mercy of executive agencies. The severity of the amendment is not only in the fact that one loses their position if they are arrested, but even if they are detained. Detention and administrative action doesn't require an offence to be made. Sir, the chief minister will not be able to accountable people. I want to know from the Honorable Home Minister, as he read Article 74(1), which says that the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister to aid and advise the President who shall, in exercise of his function, act in accordance with such advice. Now, this bill clearly violates 74(1). Sir, this is the 1933 Gestapo boom. When Gestapo was found in Germany, this government is hell-bent on creating a police state. This will be a death knell and leash on elected government, sir. Indian Constitution is being amended to turn this country into a police state. BNS 152, the Home Minister promised in this House that sedition would not be used. Section 316, Section 9 of BNS, PMLA Section 4, all these can be used to destabilize an elected government, sir. That is why I oppose the introduction of all these three bills. This is nothing but creating a Gestapo to ensure that our democracy does not survive. And may I tell the Honorable Home Minister, despite his promise on BNS 152, 152 has been used against the senior journalist Siddharth Vardhan Assam also. That is why I oppose this introduction of three bills, sir. Thank you.